Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fat loss chicken breast. First, let's talk preparation. Always choose boneless, skinless chicken breasts as they are naturally very lean. Take a moment to trim any visible fat, ensuring your meal is as low in calories as possible. Then, pound the chicken to an even thickness of about 3/4 of an inch. This ensures it cooks uniformly, preventing dry spots and promoting a tender result. Now, let's infuse some delicious flavor without adding extra fat. Reach for your favorite herbs and spices like garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and black pepper. These add incredible taste without the calories. Skip those high-sodium, sugary marinades. Instead, a simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice not only brightens the flavor, but also helps tenderize the meat beautifully. When it comes to cooking, grilling or baking are your best friends for fat loss. If grilling, a light brush of olive oil is sufficient. For baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. If using a pan, opt for a non-stick surface with just a tiny spritz of cooking spray. Cook the chicken until its internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and tenderness. Finally, let's talk about enjoying your perfectly cooked, fat-loss chicken breast. Pair it with a colorful array of steamed or roasted vegetables for a balanced meal. For portion control, aim for a serving size of about 4 ounces, which is roughly the size of a deck of cards. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making healthy meal prep easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.